Hello, my name is Chuck House. I'm a welding instructor here at Technical Community College.
Hello, and I'm Eric McAllister, and we're here today to give you a little bit of a tour of our shop. So what we'll do today is we're going to start with our robotics that we provide in our program. This particular robot is a Lincoln power source, and it's ran by Fanuc. A lot of our local companies in the area will use this particular arm with different types of cells. So we do training with this, and we're able to get everybody familiar with how a robot runs, do some basic functions, and get them to a point to where they're being able to go into a company and do some operations with the welding robot. One of our big additions to our program has been this retro system. It's a plasma cutting system that's operated by CNC, and we're able to computerly program different types of layouts. You can see we have stuff from the Coast Guard here and some different types of saw blades, and we can make anything from fire pits to component parts for doing repairs or for new operations. The plasma cutter, again, is one of the ones that's one of the bigger ones that's used in our local area. Well, as we move through the shop here, you can see that we have 24 different welding booths that are all protected by curtains. We have 12 that run down this particular side of the shop on the north side, and then also we have an additional 12 that run down the south side of the shop. In each of these weld booths, we're able to do all of the major welding processes, your TIG welding, MIG welding, stick welding, flux core. As we go down through the shop, you can see we have state-of-the-art iron worker. This is called a Scotchman. This is one of the biggest iron workers that are in our local industry. It's able to cut 1-inch thick plate. We use it a lot for different types of projects and being able to manipulate materials to make different types of repairs and new product, and of course just for our everyday use for being able to do different weldments. As we move through the shop, we have bending equipment over here where we're able to do lighter gauge material bends. We also have a large Miller boom welder that is designed for being able to do industrial type welding. Most of our local companies are using this as pulse welding technology. It's the latest technology that Miller has. And you have companies locally like a Bobcats and Case Tractor, and you have New Flyer Industries. A lot of these larger companies are using this newer technology. We also have Lincoln Electric's newest technology in wire feed welding. That technology is able to do multi-process of TIG welding, aluminum welding, wire feed, MIG welding, pulse welding, stick welding, all of the different types of welding. And then this here is our new AccuShear. We just purchased this machine earlier this summer, and what we're looking at with this is that it's able to cut a capacity of a 1/2-inch thick plate material, 8 feet in length. We also have light curtains for safety on the front and the rear for ease of operation and being able to build projects with. Well, as we finish up our tour here, me and Chuck would like to say thank you for checking out our shop, and if you want further information, please check out one of our information nights and or a tour of the facility. Thank you.
Thank you.